How tall are you?
5'11", 6 foot.
If I measure you and you're actually 6 foot, I'll give you $10,000 in cash. Do you want us to measure you?
Okay. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna need you to take your shoes off.
Without shoes, it might be a little shorter.
Bring out the tape measure. 10 grand if this is accurate.
What did you say you were?
5'11".
Oh, what? Looking at a 5'10".
Really? Ooh, this is awkward. $10,000 on the line. Is he 6 foot tall?
Probably not.
Oh, well, I'm gonna let you pick. Do we include your hair or do we not include your hair?
I'm gonna say included.
Okay, I'm gonna go right here. He is literally exactly 6 feet tall. You're lucky we made you take your shoes off. Here is $10,000 in cash.
There ain't no way. Shake my hand right now.
It's yours.
I can walk away with this right now.
I already gave it to you.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Shake my hand again.
It's your money, I promise.